Quantitative data collection methods, a narrative perspective. Quantitative data collection methods are research approaches centered on gathering numerical data that can be measured, compared, and analyzed statistically. These methods are rooted in objectivity and precision, making them essential for studies that aim to quantify relationships, test hypotheses, or generalize findings to a larger population. The emphasis lies in producing data that are both reliable and replicable, ensuring consistency across different contexts and studies. In quantitative research, the focus is often on how much, how many, or to what extent a phenomenon occurs. These methods are particularly useful in fields such as economics, medicine, social sciences, and business, where understanding trends, predicting outcomes, or establishing causal relationships is critical. For instance, a business might use quantitative methods to assess customer satisfaction through survey scores, while a public health study might employ these approaches to measure the prevalence of a particular disease in a population. The tools used in quantitative data collection are varied but share a common goal: producing structured data that can be analyzed systematically. Surveys and questionnaires are among the most widely used methods, designed with closed-ended questions to capture specific variables. For example, a researcher might ask respondents to rate their agreement with a statement on a scale of 1 to 5, providing clear, comparable data points. Experiments are another cornerstone of quantitative methods, where researchers manipulate one variable to observe its effect on another. This approach, often employed in laboratory or controlled settings, enables the establishment of cause and effect relationships. For example, in education, researchers might test whether a new teaching method improves student performance by comparing test scores between two groups, one exposed to the new method and the other following traditional practices. Quantitative methods also include observational techniques, where behaviors or events are recorded numerically. In such cases, researchers systematically count occurrences or measure variables without direct interference. For instance, a sociologist studying traffic patterns might record the number of cars passing through an intersection at specific times. In addition to these methods, secondary data analysis is a popular approach in quantitative research. It involves using pre-existing datasets, such as census data, financial reports, or institutional records, to draw new insights. This method is cost-effective and allows researchers to analyze trends over time or across populations without the need for primary data collection.